Hello guys, this is my first run of my home built self-made all tubed compressor system with only semiconductors I've used for control voltages and little light show inside. Okay. The system is based around a very old 1612 tube from RCA and a little tube diodes and input and output triodes. And here we got the back side. Okay, this whole thing is running from a anode voltage of about 250 volts, and as I used the little easy 81, here is it. I have to put in a series resistor because of the high current when I switch on the anode voltage from standby. Normally you don't have the standby thing in all tube designs to prevent the rectifier download from simply blown away by high current. So I have to put this series resistor inside here, and it's very hot. I can't touch it right now. Okay, and this is how it looks like underneath the side. Okay, and quick done how compressor works. I just the main output is feed into this one. Is a frequency modulation transmitter for the UKW transmitter into my old car stereo over here, so I prevent some hum noise from the double ground connection. So it's the easiest thing, and you can do some little funny things. I just raised the volume right now until the modulator clips. It sounds really awful, and it's the easiest way to demonstrate how a compressor works. Okay, here we go. Digital clipping. Okay, here we see the control voltage of the 1612 tube. Let's go to grid 5. Here we go. It's coming, and now we're here. Okay, this is the control voltage, and the compressor reduces the output level of the signal. And we got a little light show on front. It's not finished, it's just about 80% finished. It's the first run. Okay, little metering here in front. This is a peak meter, an input peak meter, and this is an average meter. Now here has to be the same inside. I'm not finished, said before. This is the release, this is the ratio, this is the threshold, maximum, and this is the attack. Going away, and I got some little things if I've done a full tube design. You can do little funny things, which overload the circuits. This is tube distortions, not. This is the output, this is the input. It's nearly maximum right now. This is the difference between tube distortion and semiconductor or digital distortion. Just pull it a little bit back, and I got another feature here. Preamp, slightly more distortion if you want. Just lower the output to prevent the modulator to distort it as well. Yeah. So, back again. So, and the audio is coming from my computer right now. Here we got some cables, and this is the video now is running to get my audio, thanks to this guy here, for my drum pattern. I also got some drum machines, but to test I like the real drums best. Thank you for watching, and maybe do something again when this baby is more complete. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.